What's up, y'all? Mr. Imagination here with you. Time for a little unboxing video. I have one thing from Amazon, and it's again in an envelope. The next thing I traded a pop mystery box to Greg Cook for a figure that I can't find anywhere around here. And then I have another friend of mine, Luis, who has been helping me out finding some Star Wars action figures and possibly some pops. So, you know, let's get into the video, see what's in the box. All right, so I'm going to start with the package from Amazon. I ordered a figure. It's either a Black Series or Marvel Legends, and Amazon put it in another envelope. I don't know what the deal is. They've been doing this a lot lately. Crossing my fingers that the item in here is fine and not too damaged. So let's open it up, see how it turned out. So what came in was Lord Dracon from the Lightning series. Had it on pre-order and it came in earlier than expected. And overall, luckily the item is in pretty good condition. And even if it was messed up, it would be okay for this one because I will be opening it, freeing the figure from the box. But Amazon, y'all need to start putting stuff back in boxes. Next that I'm going to open is the trade with Greg Cook. He was looking for the Marvel Mystery Chase Deadpool, and once I saw his video and he said he was looking for that one, I went to the GameStop that I was closest to that night and just for fun picked up one, opened it up, and it was the Chase Deadpool. I'll put the picture here in just a sec. And I got in touch with Greg and he was willing to trade. I kind of told him what I was looking for, and things went well. Greg, if you're watching the video, hopefully you liked the little extra that I put in the box, and it was a pleasure doing business with you. So let's see what's in this one. A little bit different than I'm used to when having the label move on me like that. But let's see, almost there. I think it's about time to sharpen the knife again. So, Greg, awesome job packing my item with some of the big air bubble packaging. So what I got was the Yavin 4 Celebration Luke Skywalker. If you noticed down here, his name is spelled wrong. And same thing here on the back. They misspelled his name. On the side's the only one that is spelled correctly. So I don't know. Maybe the person that was in charge of labeling this box, I don't know if he got let go or what, but this one figure I couldn't find anywhere around me. And, I saw that Greg has seen it on a couple of his hunts. Asked him if he'd mind trading for one, and he was all good for it. So again, Greg, thanks for the trade. Awesome packing, and hopefully you liked your Marvel Deadpool chase. So next package from a friend of mine, Luis. I'm sure there's of one figure. I'm not sure of the other stuff that he got me. But there's some pretty good weight to it. So let's see what he sent to me. Well, Luis, I guess I'm going to be able to kind of get caught up on the news on what's going in Houston, because he put some newspapers in here. Still works. He didn't have a chance to get any packing peanuts or any bubble wrap. The newspaper stuff works just as well. So, so it looks like he was able to get one of those big bags from GameStop with all the various controllers on there. Thanks, Luis. I could definitely use that. The little chuckle that I had was because he also knew that I was looking for another, the Yavin 4 Celebration Luke Skywalker. And he found it, and he knew I wanted it and picked it up for me. So, Luis, thanks. You are the man. Also, I kind of told him I was looking to army build a certain X-Men character, and that would be Multiple Man. So I have a few of them now. I might try to get maybe one more, but since his mutant power is to multiply, I thought it'd be cool to kind of do a little army building with them, and who knows, maybe do a photo session with Multiple Man. But definitely building up my X-Force team. I have Havoc and Polaris, the 2-pack. I just haven't gotten to it yet. But, my X family, both the X-Men and the villains, coming along nicely. I have others that are still in the box, but, later on down the line, I'll be freeing them too. And it looks to be maybe one more thing. What is this one? I see that it's a Star Wars Black Series. Before we get to the figure, looks like you got another bag from GameStop. Again, I can use it. So again, Luis, thanks for that. And okay, this is the one that I knew it would be. He was able to find a Purge Trooper up in Houston. Got me one of them. Now, pretty much this will be Purge Trooper number 5 for me. I have one still in box. The other 3 are opened. I will be doing a photo session with them, and I'm going to free this one and add this with the others. So, Luis, again, you are the man for finding this Purge Trooper for me. But I think that's it. And this one, yep. So that'll do it for this unboxing. So 2 Luke Skywalkers, Multiple Man, and the Purge Trooper, a couple of the big GameStop bags, and from Amazon, Lord Dracon, or Dracon, however you want to pronounce it. But yeah, that's what was in the boxes. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed it, hit that like and leave a comment. Let me know which figures you look forward to getting. You know, Christmas season's almost here, so maybe there's some sales going on. Or leave a comment. Let me know which figure you liked from this unboxing. So until then, collect what you like. Be awesome to one another. See you in the next video. Enough said.